Oh yeah?
I told you I'm not gonna record you.
I'm not that bad.
Mm-hmm.
It's funny. Hmm?
What?
What?
Who?
What?
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 Mm-hmm.
What? Hmm.
What?
I don't know.
This is the best conversation ever.
I know, right?
You're fucking
Like,
boring.
yeah, bullshit. This conversation's like beef. You don't know what you're talking about.
Okay, Sean. Whatever you say.
You know it.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm.
Someone's calling the house phone, but I'm not gonna answer it.
Good girl.
Beep.
Beep.
What?
You say beep?
No.
Thought you did.
Nope.
Nice.
Hmm.
What?
Shut up.
Cookie. That's what?
What?
It's sucking.
Who texted
Ow.
me? Joseph just texted me
Yeah, I know. I heard a beep.
and said, "Hey." I'm not gonna answer him.
Wahaha.
You need to tell him that. Well, don't tell him, but I'm not talking to him anymore.
Who?
Joseph.
Hey, what happened?
I just don't want to talk to him anymore.
Any more?
Anymore.
Like forever?
Forever.
Why not?
I don't know. He's weird.
No, hey, I'm weird too.
No, you're normal. He's kind of
No, never ever again?
Why does it matter?
Oh, he's gonna be living with me in the future, so yeah.
Okay.
So yeah.
Well, I'm sure by then I'll get over it.
Sure. I'm just saying.
Uh-huh.
Oh. Ew. Hmm.
Shut up.
Mm.
You shut up, you dickweed.
Shut up, you fucking kitty cat.
Kitty cat?
Yeah, kitty cat.
Grow a pair, Sean.
Hmm?
Grow a pair.
I already grew hair.
A pair, not hair.
What? I am confused.
A pair. A pair. I don't
Pear?
know.
A pear?
A pair, yes. Shut.
I already grew a pair of coconuts.
That's okay. Close enough. Close enough.
You have bull crap.
Mhm.
My coco's already grown.
Nasty. Don't ever put your coconuts near me.
Yeah, you like that. I know things.
Okay.
Yeah, you know it.
Mhm.
I'm just saying, not spraying.
That's nice.
I know. It is, indeed. Ma'am.
Uh-huh.
Mm-hmm.
Shut up.
You ain't it.
Shut the fuck up.
You.
No.
You butthead.
Just call me a butthead or a fuckhead.
A butthead.
Okay.
What?
Huh?
You gonna kill me now?
No. Shut up. No.
What is wrong with you?
I don't know.
Liar.
Okay.
Liar. die.
Okay.
Oh my gosh,
What?
my back hurts.
That sucks.
Oh yeah, it does.
Mhm.
I need to like jump off a roof or something. That'd be fun. Ow.
Good luck with that.
What?
Jumping off the roof.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. What? Okay.
Legit.
Word.
Word.
To the big bird.
Word is bird, you little nerd.
Shut up, you butthead.
Ain't no